I did this to prove a point, but the joke is on me because I really like the way this looks. Hey y'all, it's me, Danielle, otherwise known as Dat Girl Danny, here on YouTube and Instagram. And today I'm going to be putting clip-ins in my hair. One of my most popular videos that I made a few years ago is clip-ins on braids as a transitioning hairstyle. And I'm going to recreate that today, but I'm going to do it a little differently because I have some different hair. Today I'll be using better length clip-ins in their kinky straight hair. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for a middle part again, like I usually do, and I'm going to braid down my hair and put the clip-ins on top of the braids. So first things first, I'm going to be sectioning off my hair, and my hair is getting a little dirty, so if you see some flakes, don't be surprised. Just a little bit of hair, probably not even as much hair as I use in my U-part wig video. You guys can check that out as well. I'm not gonna leave any sides out because this hair is so full that you shouldn't need sides out. So I'm gonna just do 5 cornrows going straight across. 1, 2, 3, going to the back, 4, 5.
Don't you see the silver line? Fire, fire, give me just some. Don't you see the fire, fire?
Okay, so that's probably the hardest part of this whole process is braiding up your hair. So I got my clip-ins. I'm gonna count how many pieces it is in total. I've been having these clip-ins for probably about a year. This is how they look. They look straight, but once you well, no, you can see the kinkiness to it. All right, that's one. Let's do this big one with 3 clips. I think I'm gonna do the front ones next.
Hey, don't you see the silver line? Fire, fire, give me just some. Don't you see this fire, fire?
So this one's long. And you just gotta play around with it. Depending on how you braided your hair will be where you clip these, because you want to clip them on the actual braid. All right, so I'm ready for my last one. It's gonna go right here in the front. There we go. So they all in. Look at all this hair. So what I'm gonna do is I have a hot comb, and the way I like to wear this is I'm just gonna comb it through to get that bend out, but I'm not gonna curl this. In my experience, it doesn't hold a curl. You can curl it, you can roll it. When you curl it for the first few minutes, it'll have a curl, but that curl is going to fall. That is my experience. So I don't even waste my time trying to curl this type of hair. I just wear it like a blowout. I'm gonna get some edge control. I'm gonna use this one by Hollywood Hair. All right, let's take down my real hair and start blending. I don't think I'll have to do a whole lot of blending. The middle. Let's comb that in. Keep getting trapped. Here. I like it. Something right here is a little lumpy, but this hair is a perfect hair for clip-ins on braids, because if it's a little lumpy, only you know it. Otherwise, it just looks really full. So how does it look? I think it looks good. I think it looks good. Like, if I do something like that, you can kind of see the edges. The edges you see is laid down, so you can't really. But it's giving, I never had a relaxer in my life. I grew up not getting relaxers. Oh yes, oh no, never had a relaxer. Yeah, this is all mine. Yeah, my hair is just long, that's all. I like it like this. I prefer it like this than if I would have tried to curl it and it just wouldn't work.
I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do?
And the barrel, this is a 1 1/4 inch barrel, so you know how. Okay. I just get so excited when stuff work out. But this looks good, and I feel like this hairspray is gonna help it stay. I just wanted, like, for people who want to see this hair curled, that's why I'm doing this part. But I just know it's not gonna stay curled. So, but for you guys, I did this just for you. I want to show you it curled with the curling wire, and it's crunchy because that's how much hairspray I put in it. And this is a really strong hairspray, firm hold, 24-hour humidity resistant, and it's raining today, so we'll see if that works. But I mean, that's cute. Okay, that's cute, but I think it looks amazing. I think it looks amazing. But the wave effect is even almost, it's worth it. The payoff of it just being waves and not so much curls, I think looks so good. It moves better too. should have been curled it. Why would I curl it like on the last day that I'm wearing it? But I should have been curled it, y'all. Wow, so cute. I did this to prove a point, but the joke is on me because I really like the way this looks. But yeah, I want to thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for staying until the end of this video. Be sure to like and subscribe to this video. Turn on those notification bells. I upload on Mondays and Thursdays, and the video is usually available at midnight. So if you are a person who works late or works early in the morning, my video is there on Mondays and Thursdays. I want to say God bless you, God keep you, God cover you. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Peace.